Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to deposit money in your Metatrader 5 account. So make sure to follow the step-by-step process, and after that you will be able to do it. So once you log in into your Metatrader 5 account, you will be seeing an interface like this. So from here you can just click on common, and once you click on common, just click on this payment section. As you can see, like, just click on payments, and once you click on payments, you will be seeing like this interface, either deposit to your account or withdraw from an account. So from here just click on deposit to an account, like we are doing deposit. So just click on deposit to an account, and once you click here, you will be seeing an interface like this. So just select the amount that you want to deposit. Just enter, like, let's say that is the 1000 USD. Make sure to select the currency as well, either it is USD or any other currency, and make sure to read this, like, the payment amount will be converted to your trade account currency USD automatically. So after that, just make sure to select your payment method, and either it is a card or ecom pay, wire transfer, or Visa card. So just select any of the payment method that you have. And after that, just payment service provider, make sure to select the payment service provider as well. And if, like, there's no card, just you can just click on add new card and add your card as well. And make sure that to enter the correct email address, which is very important. Make sure to enter the right email address. And after that, as you can read the commission here, which is like 10 USD, the approximate amount to be charged is 1010 USD. So as you can see, like, the total amount that we are going to deposit, let's say it is 1000 USD, so the commission will be 10 USD as well. So make sure to click on continue, and once you click on continue, you will be seeing an interface like this one. So make sure to enter the card number, the card holder name, which is like going to available on your card as well. So make sure to select the months, expiring months, expiring years, and after that enter the CVV2 or CVC, which is available on the card as well. Enter that and click on pay, and once you click on pay, your order will be placed and you can easily deposit the money into your Metatrader 5 account. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.